friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Easter Bunny from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center with the nose, and we're going to draw in an arch line. From there, on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the center, joining at a point in the middle. Let's come down. We're going to come down right in the middle, leaving a gap. We're going to draw in a small dot. Now from here, starting on the top, we're going to curve this around, pulling this up, connecting that in towards that dot in the center. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Let's add in the whiskers. So on the top here, let's arch this over and out. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side, replicating that, curving that across. Let's drop down now, lining that up at the same height. Again, just curving this over and down on a diagonal this time. Now let's close off the mouth. So starting on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the chin with a curved line. Now from here on both sides, again, drawing a diagonal line coming in, ending that at the same height again. And then one more time, we're just going to close that off with another curved line. Let's arch this up and over for the tongue. Let's draw on the teeth. Right in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We'll step out, lining that up at the same height, drawing a diagonal line coming up on both sides. And then we'll just flatten this out on the very bottom here with a straight line. Now let's move up, closing off the head. So we're going to start right in the center. We're going to move up, leaving a gap, and we're going to curve this line all the way around, pulling that in towards the mouth. We'll come across, replicating that on the right-hand side as well. Let's come up for the eyes now. So we're going to draw in a nice big oval. So starting from the top here, we're going to curve this around, pulling this over, tucking that back in. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side. Now from here, starting on the top again, starting from this line, we're just going to draw in another oval on a diagonal. So starting on the top edge here, just curving this around, pulling that over, connecting that, bringing that up to the top. And then we'll replicate that on the right as well. Let's draw on the ears. So on the left-hand side, let's curve this up and out towards the top. And then now from that point, we're going to drag this back down and in on the top. Let's replicate that shape on the inside. So coming down from that point, we're going to curve this around and in. And then again, on the opposite side, just replicating that shape. Let's draw on the right ear. So we're going to come across and we're going to curve this line out. This ear is going to be folded, so we're going to drag this down on a diagonal. Now from here, let's curve that in towards the face. And then from that point, we're just going to drag this back around, tucking that up. From this point here, we're going to curve this around and down. Coming down again, replicating that, curving that out in the opposite direction. And then one more time to finish off our ear. Let's come down for the stomach now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, tucking that in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's blend this in the center with a curved line. Now let's come up. We're going to replicate that again. We're just going to connect this all the way around, pulling that through towards the right-hand side. From here, let's draw on the leg. So we're going to draw a diagonal line, curving that out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line in towards the bottom, again, closing that off at the same height. For the foot, we're going to drag this out on opposite sides. Let's round out the top of that foot now, curving this over, pulling that back in. Now, on the left, we're going to bring this line out, bending that at the knee, tucking that up. And then in the feet, we're just going to draw in two curved lines, drawing those coming in on a diagonal. Now for the arms, let's step up, drawing a diagonal line coming out. From here on the top, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming up. Let's come down for the thumb. So we're going to leave a gap on a diagonal, curving this over. And these fingers are going to be quite sharp. So we're going to end them at a point. From that point here now, we're going to tuck this around and back up. Let's close off the rest of the arm. So underneath, just bringing this line down, connecting that, pulling that in, bending it at the elbow. Now for the first finger on top from this point, curving this around, tucking that back down towards our thumb. And then now from that point, just dragging this over, curving that in. Now in the center, stepping up, curving this around and down. And then again from that point, dragging this all the way over and in, connecting that to our pointer finger. Let's drop down one more time, curving this all the way around and across to the bottom. And then from that point, just dragging this back up towards the center. Lastly, let's come across for the palm. We're going to step up from the bottom of the thumb, just curving that across, leaving a gap. And then from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming over towards the fingers. And that is it. That's how you draw the Easter Bunny from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.